Hey everyone, let's get cooking for a healthier heart. All right, food lovers. Today we're on a mission to create a meal that's not just delicious, but also incredibly good for your heart. We're talking about giving those arteries some love, because a happy heart means a happier you. Now don't worry, this isn't about complicated diets or weird ingredients. We're keeping it simple, fresh, and absolutely scrumptious. Think vibrant colors, amazing flavors, and the satisfaction of knowing you're nourishing your body from the inside out. Are you ready to whip up a storm in the kitchen and give your heart a high five? Let's dive in. Now, before we get our hands dirty in the kitchen, let's quickly chat about why we're giving arteries so much attention. Imagine your arteries as the superhighways of your body. They're responsible for carrying blood, which is full of oxygen and all the good stuff, to every single part of you. Just like a smooth, clear highway ensures traffic flows without a hitch, healthy arteries allow your blood to zip around effortlessly, keeping your heart happy and your body energized. But here's the thing, sometimes these highways can get a bit clogged. This can slow down blood flow, putting extra strain on your heart. That's where our delicious meal comes in. We're using ingredients that are like little helpers, working their magic to keep those arteries clear and your heart pumping strong. Get ready to meet the stars of our heart-healthy show. We've got a lineup of incredible ingredients, each with unique powers to boost your heart health. First up, we have salmon, a superstar rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are like the superheroes of the fat world, helping to lower those pesky bad cholesterol levels. Next in line is spinach, a leafy green powerhouse brimming with nitrates that help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. And hold on, because we're adding avocado to the mix. This creamy delight brings its own set of superpowers with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol and increase the good kind. We're also tossing in some vibrant berries bursting with antioxidants, those little defenders that protect your cells from damage. And let's not forget walnuts, a crunchy treat packed with omega-3s and fiber, which helps regulate cholesterol levels. Last but not least, we'll drizzle everything with a touch of olive oil, a heart-healthy fat that's full of flavor and goodness. Are you ready to transform these amazing ingredients into a culinary masterpiece? Let's get cooking. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's prepare our salmon. Rinse the salmon fillets under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. Place the salmon on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Next, let's whip up a simple yet flavorful marinade. In a bowl, combine a tablespoon of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Pour this fragrant mixture over the salmon, ensuring it's evenly coated. Pop the salmon into the preheated oven and let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it's cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. While the salmon is working its magic in the oven, let's turn our attention to the rest of our heart-healthy ingredients. Section 5. Plating up your masterpiece. A feast for the eyes and the heart. As the salmon finishes baking, let's create a vibrant salad that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. In a large bowl, toss together a handful of fresh spinach leaves, a handful of juicy blueberries and raspberries, and a sprinkle of chopped walnuts. For a creamy, satisfying twist, add slices of ripe avocado to the salad. Once the salmon is cooked to perfection, remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly. Gently flake the salmon into large chunks and add it to the salad. Just before serving, drizzle a light dressing of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice over the salad. The olive oil's subtle flavor complements the salmon and avocado beautifully, while the lemon juice adds a refreshing zing. And there you have it, a delicious, heart-healthy meal that's easy to prepare and bursting with flavor. Section 6. Beyond the plate. Simple tips for a heart-healthy lifestyle. Eating a heart-healthy diet is like giving your heart a big warm hug every day. But just like any good relationship, it's about more than grand gestures. It's the little things you do consistently that make all the difference. So beyond the plate, think of incorporating simple yet powerful habits into your daily routine. How about squeezing in a brisk walk after dinner? It's a fantastic way to get your blood pumping and those arteries thanking you. And hey, who says no to a good night's sleep? Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality shut-eye to allow your body to repair and recharge. Remember, A healthy heart is a happy heart, and a happy heart means a happier, more energetic you. So, let's raise a toast to making small changes that lead to a lifetime of heart health. Section 7. Listen to your body. When to seek expert advice. While we're all about empowering you to take charge of your health, remember that everyone's body is unique. If you have any concerns about your heart health or experience any unusual symptoms, it's always best to reach out to your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and medical history. Think of them as your partners in crime on this journey to a healthier heart. Remember, taking care of your heart is a lifelong commitment, and seeking expert guidance when needed is a sign of strength and wisdom, not weakness. Section 8. You've got this. Embracing a heart-healthy future. As we wrap up our culinary adventure, remember that a healthy heart isn't about deprivation or complicated rules. It's about making simple, enjoyable changes that nourish your body and bring you joy. Embrace the power of fresh, wholesome ingredients, get moving, prioritize sleep, and listen to your body's cues. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, or a community that shares your passion for a healthy lifestyle. Together, let's make healthy hearts a delicious and fulfilling reality. Section 9. Join the movement, spreading the word about heart health. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and inspiration to fuel your heart with goodness, let's spread the love. Share your culinary creations with friends and family, inspiring them to prioritize their heart health too. Post pictures of your delicious meals, share heart-healthy tips, and let's create a ripple effect of positive change. Remember, small actions can have a big impact when we work together. Let's make healthy hearts a global movement, one delicious bite at a time. Section 10. Time to dig in. Your delicious adventure awaits. So, my friends, what are you waiting for? It's time to put on your chef hats, gather those heart-healthy ingredients, and embark on a delicious adventure that will nourish your body and soul. Remember, cooking is an act of love for yourself and those you care about. So, let's get creative in the kitchen, experiment with flavors, and create meals that are as good for your heart as they are for your taste buds. Happy cooking, and here's to a lifetime of happy, healthy hearts.